Uploading digital products on System.io is a simple process. Here's how to do it. Log into your System.io account. Visit System.io and log in using your credentials. Access the product section. From the dashboard, click on products in the left-hand menu. Create a new product. Click the Create a Product button. Choose digital product as the product type. Enter product details. Provide the product name, description and price. You can also choose to add the product image to make it more appealing to your customers. Upload your digital file. After entering the product details, you'll be prompted to upload your digital file. Click Upload File to select your file from your computer. Ensure that the file is in a supported format and meets size limitations. Set delivery method. Choose how you want to deliver the product to the customer after purchase. Save and publish. Once you've uploaded the file and set everything up, click Save. Your digital product is now available for sale.